What are you doing, AK? Hey, kitty. Hey, kitty, 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 kitty. This is AK. That is short for Adventure Kitty. She follows us everywhere, no matter where we go. Yeah. Laying out the pillar here. AK's helped me out, like usual. Hey, AK. What you doing under there, AK? So we're out here laying these pillars, and Feisty, our other cat, comes walking from the woods with her baby kittens. Yeah, the oldest one probably. Yeah. Maybe she'll bring the others back. Yeah, this cat had 2 litters of cats and we couldn't find them. They're out in the woods.
She's big.
Yeah, they've been living out in the woods because she won't bring them back. Look how big that cat is. Hey. So there's more out there that are going to be coming. I bet you we find like 6 more. AK, you got a friend now. We're gonna have to find a name for this one.
How the gas is still over?
I don't know.
I don't know, I just picked it up.
What do you think we're gonna name you, huh? Blue eyes. She just randomly brought this cat over in her mouth. Yeah, by the neck. By the neck. Just walked it out of the woods. What?
That was not quite as friendly as the other one.
No. Saw. Yo. So we're gonna spy on a Feistian and we're gonna follow her to her nest of kittens.
Yeah, dude, and just nab all the kittens at once.
Yeah. Keep a close eye on a Feisty. Watching you, Feisty. Watching you. She won't leave the garage, so we're taking her out here to see if she has her kittens over here. Go get them. Go get them.
She's just gonna go back to her garage babies.
That sucks. No, go get the cats. Come on. She's over there. There she goes, there she goes. Follow her. Just make sure she doesn't see us. She's just meowing over here. Are they over here, Feisty? Take us to your babies.
Do you need a hand up onto the roof?
Feisty snuck away from us and we couldn't find her. Now there's 3. 3 kittens. Number 1, number 2. Gotta figure out fun names for them. What are all your names gonna be? Nightman.
That's definitely it, man.
Sawyer saw this one come off the roof.
It fell.
We didn't have a time to videotape it. It doesn't like the other cats, so we had to separate it. We think there might be 2 litters. Where's all your babies at? What happened, Saul?
I just see her walking down the roof, and she comes over to this little roof here and drops a cat off the roof, and it tumbles and hits the concrete.
So you think there's more up on the roof?
I don't know.
We should probably go check.
Maybe.
Maybe at least find the nest, man. The cat nest.
I think just let her keep dropping her babies.
You think?
Let her do it.
Be cool to see where she did it though. 4 cats. 4 kittens. Plus adventure kitten.
$15 a pop. Who wants one?